Did you know that cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? According to the World Health Organization, it accounts for nearly 17.9 million deaths each year. That's about 32% of all global deaths. But the good news is, small changes to your diet can make a big difference in protecting your heart. Today, we're diving into amazing foods scientifically proven to combat cardiovascular disease. Let's get started. Oily fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease triglyceride levels. A study published in the American Heart Association Journal found that eating just 2 servings of oily fish per week can lower your risk of dying from heart disease by 36%. So, whether you grill it, bake it, or toss it into a salad, oily fish is a heart hero you don't want to skip. Next up are leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are rich in nitrates, which help improve arterial function and reduce blood pressure. They're also loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K, which strengthen your blood vessels. Research shows that people who consume at least 1 serving of leafy greens daily have a significantly lower risk of heart disease. Add them to your smoothies, saute them as a side dish, or toss them into your favorite soups. Next, let's talk about tomatoes, rich in antioxidants like lycopene. Tomatoes help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. Lycopene, specifically, has been shown to have protective effects against heart disease by preventing fat buildup in the arteries. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating tomatoes regularly can significantly lower the risk of stroke and heart attack. So, whether you enjoy them raw, in sauces, or roasted, tomatoes are a tasty, heart-healthy addition to your diet. Tip: add tomatoes to your salads, sandwiches, and pasta for a delicious, heart-healthy boost. Finally, number 4. Nuts. Particularly almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. These little powerhouses are high in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, which help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol. A study in the journal Circulation found that eating a handful of nuts 5 times a week can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 20%. Just be sure to opt for unsalted, unflavored versions to keep your sodium intake in check. Tip: keep a small pack of nuts handy for a heart-healthy snack on the go. And there you have it. For simple, delicious foods that can help protect your heart and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Remember, small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to big health benefits over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit. Here's to a healthier, stronger heart, one meal at a time. Subscribe for more.